Here we're going to use arithmetic sequences to solve a word problem. We have a weightlifter who begins his routine by benching 100 pounds and then increases the weight by 30 pounds for each set. If he does 10 repetitions in each set, what's the total weight lifted after 5 sets? The weights for each set form an arithmetic sequence with the first term, a sub 1, is equal to 100, and the common difference, d, is equal to 30. If we imagine that the weightlifter only performed 1 repetition per set, then the total weight lifted in 5 sets would be the sum of the first 5 terms of the sequence given by this first term and this common difference. So we'll have our general term, a sub n, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times the common difference. In this case will be 100 plus n minus 1 times 30. We'll get 100 minus 30 is 70, and then we'll have plus 30n. So if there was 1 repetition in each set, the nth term would give us 70 plus 30n. We want to find out what the 5th term is. The 5th term then would be 70 plus 30 times 5. That's going to end up being 220. So that's how much would be lifted in the 5th set if there was only 1 repetition. We want to find the sum of the first 5 terms of the sequence. So we're looking for the sum of the first n terms in an arithmetic sequence. That's going to be n over 2 times the sum of the first and nth terms. In this case, we're looking for the sum of the first 5 terms. So we'll have 5 divided by 2 times the first term, which is 100, plus the 5th term, which is 220. And we'll get that the sum of the first 5 terms is equal to 800. So for 1 repetition in each set, the weightlifter would lift a total of 800 pounds. However, the weightlifter does 10 repetitions in each set, so we need to multiply this sum by 10 to obtain the total amount lifted. So 10 times 800 will give us 8,000. And so the weightlifter will have lifted a total of 8,000 pounds after the 5 sets.